how's your wind look?
Okay.
All right, so go ahead and start going up. Yep. Looking good. All right, so we want to turn downwind now. So going back which way we came from. So you're going to turn, you're going to take it off auto, and you're going to turn to starboard, and then you want to go, you want to be going that line.
Okay. Turning to starboard.
It's going to flop around a little bit. You're into the wind right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's coming around a little bit.
Starboard.
Okay, boom. So you see how the main sheet now is released and it's out?
Yes.
That's what you let go so the wind will push it out.
Yeah. So you ease up on it and let the wind kind of
Push it out.
adjust. Yeah. See
So-
what's happening.
You feel good there?
I do.
Okay, well let's do the Genoa.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Take both engines slowly back to neutral.
Together?
Yeah.
Or one at a time?
You can do one at a time or together.
Okay.
Okay. And then you're going to reach down, you're going to hold to the stop button.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now go ahead and push it and hold it. Now do your on-off button.
I'm learning. This is exciting. You're a good teacher today, honey.
I'm always a good teacher.
You have your off days.
What are you talking about?
I learned like how to look at our rudder. That was really hard for me with past experience, like turning to get into the wind, and then I go past the wind, and I had a really hard time correcting myself. Now I have like a cheat sheet gadget I had no idea about. That was really cool. I could see what way my rudder was, and when my bow went past the wind by looking at my charts, I could readjust looking at how full my rudder was. So that was really, really neat. That like brought down a notch of anxiety. I felt like I had more control and I understood it, which is a plus. I did the main all by myself, which is really neat because this is a whole new system for me. Before it was all manual. Now I have power winches, clamps to open and close. I understand what sheets are going where. So when I get to do it all on by myself, it helps me really understand it, opposed to you or somebody just explaining it to me. It's like in one ear and out the other. So we have light winds, 8 knots of wind, and it's not going too fast, but I'd rather learn on a slow day than a fast day. We took it nice and slow, which I really, really like. We're heading there at 2.4 knots. It'll be a long day for 3 miles.
What do you need?
You need some help there.
Do I need some help?
Yeah?
No thanks. Well, it's getting a little windy out there. It's about 22 knots.
Really?
Yeah.
I better put my hair in a hat.
Hair in a hat.
Hair
like
in
a
a
cat in a
hat.
hat?
I got my hat.
I know.
His hat.
Alright, well, it's warm, so that's good. So
It is warm.
let's go enjoy the pool while we're here.
Yeah.
I'll probably just wear what I'm wearing and sit at the bar.
You're not gonna go in the swim-up bar?
Maybe.
What? I'm leaving you at the bar to go to the other bar.
It's the same bar.
Hey, let's just like take off our rings and then, oh no, we have a kid. Never.
Get in the pool? Yeah, excited? What are you gonna do in there?
Play with Mom and Dad.
All right. How's the water?
It's not bad. It's not as cold as you think it would be on a windy day.
All right.
High five! You gotta aim for it. You're not aiming for it.
I heard the wind picking up.
This is insane.
I told you that's why we came here.
Oh my gosh.
Look, your boat's getting on
I
jack.
know. I'm trying to think of everything that's falling all over the place. This is like nothing. I was gonna work out, but this is crazy.
Yeah, it's cooking, kicking.
I'm gonna have to work out inside.
Here, let's look at our lines. So we've got 1, 2. These aren't doing anything. 3, 4. The main lines are up here. You get about 7 that are under load. Some backups.
Insane.
A little rough, right?
Yeah, it's like I've never.
It's pushing.
Yeah.
From the
Little-
west.
Little burst of like 50s here and there. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Right now it's died down, but
Oh, I heard it.
it's about
Pushing.
to kick
It was
back
like,
up.
yeah.
Everything all night long kept me up. All the smacking and all the. Felt like the boat was gonna blow away.
While we're waiting this out, we are uploading a new video. Should be up soon. 91.
Something good that really came out of this stop was we have Wi-Fi, and
know.
you were able to like upload 3 videos, right?
Oh yeah.
That's crazy.
Great.
You've been just like editing.
It's awesome.
So
I think I'm done now though.
that's good.
Time to relax.
Good. Yeah, I was just thinking about working out or making like a Christmas Bailey's drink.
Do the drink. You can't work out out there.
I can work out in here.
Alright, so make your decision. What is it?
I don't know, I'm gonna eat the apple instead. That's what you get for the wind blowing. You get me working out inside. You get to enjoy all the views, honey.
I don't mind.
I thought you were down here working out your hips with me.
Alright, well get back at it, woman. It's looking good.
I'm going.
1, 2.
It's not even cold. It's just windy.
Yep.
Man.
Need help?
No, I think I can do it. Okay. Bella like tried to bail on me.
She's like, it's too
I'm
windy.
out of here.
The end of the world.
People are up there at the bar, just woman's hair is blowing all over the place. It's insane. Hi. How's it going?
How's it going, Dad?
There you go. You know what I just noticed or realized? You're now working off our scuba gear. Because
yeah.
long term, we were like, it will pay for itself over years and years and years of bottom cleanings.
The bottom doesn't look bad. I'm just cleaning up the prop shaft right now.
So it's not too bad, huh?
No?
That's good.
Did that
Whew.
So, is it hard?
No, you just really just gently do this because you can see the paint coming off.
Yeah, I could see the paint coming off.
Yeah. I'm just using a plastic scraper and some Scotch Brite.
It's pretty easy.
Yeah.
You forgot a spot.
Where?
All in here. The groove. I can do the groove.
I'll get the mossy stuff off. Every once in a while there's some mossy stuff. I use the scraper for that. And then it's just like a fine little, I don't know what the hell it is, but like, I guess maybe a little shrimp or something, but they just wipe right off with this.
We have yet to open our Christmas gifts. Jeremiah and I thought now would be a perfect time. We're stuck at a windy anchorage and there's not much going on. So, you want to open our gifts?
Heck yeah. I'm hoping I got a car or something.
Now let's be real. I've already given you a couple of your gifts.
Yeah, I got some sweet shirts. That was awesome, man. HH.
Yeah, because you were really lacking in the clothes department.
Yeah, I usually am.
So I gave them to you early, so I only have one gift here for you.
What the crap?
Here's our gifts. I wonder who wrapped mine. It's beautiful wrapping. Stuff's falling out of it.
Try the saltwater air.
Okay. Well, you go first. This is my one last gift to you.
Ah. This stuff's great, man. I haven't had any of these until you were buying them. Oh, some pants. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that.
Thought it would match your sweater that you got.
I love it.
Some new
Thank you,
sailing
baby.
pants. You're welcome. Let's see what you came up with for me. Well, this one fell apart. Socks.
Hey, you have some. Your sock game sucks. So.
Are my feet really that big?
I don't know. That's what they said.
Hopefully they shrink.
Well, whatever.
Thank you, honey. They're colorful and beautiful. You'll be able to see me if I fall in with my socks on.
Yeah, and we have our little our man overboard light out here too. So we got that going for you as well.
The fish are gonna think my feet are fishies. All right, what is this? Oh, look at that. Some little turtle anklets.
Yeah, I thought you liked those.
You know me.
And you know they go to shit pretty quickly, so
I love
I got a
turtles.
couple of them. And then I also got a I got you some jewelry that will come with the next guest that's coming out.
Oh,
So we still don't have everything.
that can be like Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
You should-
That's
oh.
actually your main gift, but
I love this.
the place screwed it up. You
That
like
is
them?
so sweet. I love anklets, yes. I just need a matching toe ring now. Hint, hint.
And I bought that and it got returned from the crappy marina in Fort Lauderdale.
Oh. Alright, last one. So sweet. Ooh. Did you pick these out?
Yep.
Oh my. Let's see what
The
you...
models look good in it, so I figured you would too.
Wow. Okay, this is really like the perfect gift because
Yeah.
all I wear pretty much is underwear.
Yeah.
I love, ooh, these are cute. All right, let's try some on. Coming up on the Lazy Geckos, it's breathtaking.
It's not working.
Cheers! And why not give you a shower scene? That was pretty intense. The sail had ripped.
And now we're here.
Decided today was a great day to do a road trip. Good.
We're going to keep you safe in here.
Yeah.
Did you bring us some cupcakes?
Are you gonna talk? He's like, oh my gosh, they're both next to me. Old sugar mill factory, which leads to a waterfall.
Is she done?
He knows that I know why they're up there. And then he's like, you know that I came up here because you were topless.
Our episodes are fueled by Patreon. See how you can be a part of our journey at patreon.com/lazygeckos. Want to get behind the scenes? Follow us on Instagram. There's tons more fun to see on our Vimeo channel. You can find the link in the description below.